What is up? What is up, balas? All right, let's get after it. Let's see what we got today, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the stream. For those who are new, I'm 9 to 5 Trader. What I like to do every week, especially on the day before the stock market opens for the week, I like to cover some of your favorite stocks. So in this video, what I'll be doing is a quick technical analysis for some of your favorite stocks. Again, just share me what you got. Please give me the ticker symbol and do not spam the chat. And also, smash that like button, baby. Let's get after it. Alrighty. What's up, everybody? Let me give y'all a holla real quick. Do DBX. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me get my pen and paper ready, because we're gonna cover a lot of stocks today. All right. DBX earning calls. Let's go. Jared Cobb, and here we go in 31 minutes. Yeah, I pushed it out a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to knock out some stuff here. Let's start with DBX. That's the first one I'm seeing here. And guys, welcome again to the channel. Smash that like button, guys. That's all I ask. Please just smash that like button. You don't even got to subscribe. Just hit the damn like button. Let's get after it. All right, DBX. Let me take a step back here. 180-day chart. Okay. Guys, been kind of volatile, and now it's starting to creep back up. This is Dropbox, okay? So Dropbox, I'm a little familiar with it. You know, they're essentially, I believe they do a lot of data storage and things like that. Again, feel free to share below. In this video, again, it's high-level technical analysis. I'm not going to review catalysts. A lot of these companies I don't know a whole lot about, but I'll share with you what I can. I like the volume right here, right? And we have earnings coming up, so I see why you're watching it on 218 after hours. Let's take a look at momentum here, boss. So MACD indicator, I do like it. It's very favorable. It is getting over to that crossover point of reverse momentum. So it does look good, baby. An RSI indicator down here, it may be hard to see, but it is about halfway up there. So a little higher than I would like, but I see why you're watching it. Really quickly, boss. Right, I'm seeing a few key levels. Pretty obvious one up here at about $25.60, and I do like the support here. Again, this is the big picture. I like the support here at about 21, let's call it 21.70, okay? So I think we're sitting nice within this channel here. It does look like we kind of have been sideways consolidating and experiencing a lot of volatility. Are you trying to get into this now, baller? Are you? If you are, right, one thing I do clearly see, let me see if I can draw that in here. Essentially a dynamic support level there. So this looks like we are supporting here. We are staying above this EMA line, which is what I like. We had a crossover recently, and now again, here comes that nice positive momentum, right? So I think we're on our way back up. And if we are, I think we test next year, approaching that all-time high at about $25.60. Could have sworn you were East Coast. Oh well, you're still my favorite to learn from. Appreciate it, William Sibley. Keep slamming that beer, brother. I'm slamming stuff too. Maybe water, maybe Coca-Cola. I don't know. I might slam something during this video. Damn, son. AACTFSBBPEEMMF. Please, boss. Thanks again for doing what you do. Much love and respect. Ali Aragi. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. All right, SBBP. And again, if you guys, if I cover your stock already in this video, you joined the stream a little late, just tune in. Check everything above my head. I will be posting this immediately right after this video is done, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get after it. SBB here. SBBP is the ticker symbol we're currently on. This is Stonebridge Biopharma. Me personally, I'm not big into pharma, but I do like some potential plays that we talked about today, known as SENS. Check out my video, guys. I just posted it. Earnings are coming up on 223. I see why you're watching it, boss. And I do feel like there's a very clear dynamic support here. And I think we are sitting in a pretty obvious ascending channel pattern here, right? So if we keep following suit, right, which I think we are, right? We've been experiencing nonstop higher highs and higher lows, as you can see indicated down here. I think we are sitting pretty good, but assuming that that is the case, right, it begs the question, are we approaching, right, that common pattern that we've been seeing the last few weeks or months? And is there opportunity for us to start to retrace back down? So bear all that in mind, boss. Okay, I see why you're watching it, but again, I still think you can get it at a much better buy. Momentum is looking pretty flat on the indicator, but we are still somewhat bullish. So I see why you're watching it, boss. Appreciate you tuning in. Will Sibley, got you on the TV with the boys watching. Damn, you're gonna press me like that, damn it. All right, well, let me tell you what, man, we might have to pour up, all right? Pour up some soda, all right? With no mix. CCIV merger announcement. No kidding. Did it get announced? Did someone confirm that in the chat? If it did, good night, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we're still in an ascending channel pattern. I like what we're seeing. I drew in some levels here previously, and I still am going to hold those tight. It's not because I'm lazy. It's just, again, there's no point in redrawing this out. But I will talk to what I have drawn previously, okay? So again, I drew in this 2709. Why? Because previously we were sitting there pretty nicely. We found support there a few times. I'm just going to leave it there for this video. But as you can see, ascending channel pattern. Same thing here. It's a very common pattern, guys. One thing I do like is that volume is increasing. Booyah, baby. Check out the MACD indicator, though. Let me know if my software isn't a piece of shit. Let me scroll back up. Okay, MACD indicator. Again, it's a momentum indicator. One thing I like is that we're still bullish. Bars are starting to recede back down just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. And as you can imagine, we are extended to death on the RSI indicator, which means we're bound for a little bit of a pullback, and it makes sense, right? This bad boy was up nearly 27% on the closing trading day of last Friday. Again, there could be a lot of pent-up demand being that we had a holiday and we have a short trading week, so bear all that in mind. Man, if mergers got confirmed with this thing is going to absolutely pop come market open. As you can see, right, higher highs, that's why we're seeing this ascending channel pattern. Higher highs the last few weeks, makes sense. A lot of pent-up demand, but again, bear in mind, a lot of this is hype. There's no confirmation, but confirmation is likely, in my opinion. Let's be careful with this stock. I think it has a little more room to sell off before it pushes back up to the effing moon, but I think the moon is effing eminent, brother. I hope it is merging. Let's go, baby. Nice. Never used Discord before. Hop on in. Terhe Osberg. I can't say your name, but I definitely recognize you, brother, because you are in all my videos. Sens. Okay. Covered Sens today, guys. Guys, Sens is a sleeper. Okay. Unbiased. Sens is a sleeper. I did my due diligence today on that company, and I got you covered. If you have no idea what this is and you're looking for an opportunity to potentially hop in on something that could absolutely explode soon, check out my video. I uploaded it about 2 hours ago. I got you guys covered. And in our NDRA, I will cover that because I know Bionanogenomics is coming, which is BNGO. So I got you, brother. NDRA. Let's get after it. I need a drink. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I see why you're watching. It does look like it is starting to recover from a substantial pullback relating from a substantial push up. Again, guys, I'm recovering from a cough or from a cold here, so I might cough once in a while. I do apologize for that, but keep staying tuned because I got you covered. Volume is a little less than I would like, but momentum is looking favorable, and it does look like we are reversing at this point in time. Let's see if we can keep on keeping on, boss. We have a nice, strong green candle there. Dynamic support, pretty obvious here. I think we're sitting good, and I think we're also starting to create our own ascending channel pattern, assuming that we're following suit with higher highs and higher lows on the day. Now, if we break through this, dynamic resistance level that we're seeing right here, assuming that we're following suit in this channel, if we break through there, I feel really confident that we're going to test on the way up, either potentially here at about 286 or at that all-time high approaching 325. Damn it, man. Let's go. I don't care what anybody says. Wait, I guess you did bingo yesterday. Now we're going to do it again, brother. I don't give a F. I don't care what anybody says. I'm here to first, so I win. I swear I'm coughing. INFI. And guys, I don't even smoke. It's the COVID. It's the COVID is here, man. It's getting me. It's real. Check this out. Volume, kind of spontaneous. I'm a little concerned. With that being said, right, being that volume is kind of spontaneous like that, I'm getting a little concerned that it could be in somewhat of a pump and dump phase, but it does look like it has somewhat recovered. And again, pretty obvious that we are sitting in a nice dynamic support just about right there. But take this wick with a grain of salt. It is very extended, brother. Okay. But again, I think we're sitting right there. Now, let's take a look at some of our other indicators here. Now, momentum indicator, we're still pretty negative, okay? Be careful. Pretty bearish. RSI indicator is pretty low on there, so that looks pretty good. But the momentum indicator, I do not like. I'm scared it is going to keep selling off. Let's see if we can keep testing at this dynamic support as it has previously and go from there. And again, more interim, you can see, right, we're smashing right on that level that we identified as a nice dynamic support. And we kind of just been consolidating there ever since our big push up. So let's see what happens next, but I feel really good about that support level. What's good, fam? SOS thoughts. Let's take a look. SOS. Stock G, appreciate the shout out, guys. If you're into SBE or any common stocks, he's an upcoming YouTuber, especially with SBE though. He's got you covered. Quick 5-minute videos. He's got you covered on technicality and also catalyst as well. If you want to stay tuned, check out Stock G's channel. Also smash that like button, guys, because guess what? I need to get my pump on after this video. And you know what? That pump might not happen. It depends, right? If we're getting a lot of likes, I'm going to extend the stream. If we're not, I'm going to go get that pump, son. Okay, SOS, man. So I did SOS in a video 2 days ago. Go check it out, boss. But really quick here, I'm going to leave these levels in here for you to reference. 528 support, feel really good about that. 778 resistance, feel phenomenal about that. Why? You can clearly see, right? It's staying within here. Triple topped at 778 resistance, and we essentially have found this as a consistent support as well. I feel really good that we're sitting within this channel, right? Let's see if we can break out of it in the more interim, right? I think we're testing very well at that resistance as we always have. Let's see if we can absolutely smash through that. So let's pay attention to it close pre-market and also upon market open tomorrow morning. Now, one thing you need to bear in mind is that this software is absolutely garbage. Okay, one thing you need to bear in mind is that the MACD indicator does look pretty good, right? You see I drew this little red line in here last time I covered this. Well, essentially what we're seeing is we're still in very bullish momentum, and it is increasing in momentum. So I do like that, but Rsi Indicator is still extended to death, so we are overdue for a pullback. But regardless, I feel really good about these channels that we're sitting in, more interim, and this is the 5-day chart for your reference. Tomorrow is going to be a killer trading day. Yes, Hacking Don. So Hacking Don, thanks for sharing that. I agree too, brother. The thing is, there's a lot of pent-up demand. I almost love it when there is a short trading week because a lot of stocks get extra time to kind of churn up over the weekend. And with that being said, right, you just see a lot of explosive movement come that Tuesday morning or whatever you may have it, right? So pretty excited about that. Obviously, the stock market was closed today for those who weren't known or those who didn't know it. And it was pretty boring, especially being cold as shit with this weather thing going across the country. So everyone's kind of sitting inside dormant and they want to get some trades in. Like your boy, CNVCF. Penny stocks, you guys are fiends. I hate penny stocks, but I got you covered because it doesn't matter what I like. I'm here to serve the people, brother. Check this out. Volume increasing, like it. I see why you're watching it, and I see you seeing me seeing you, son. Check this out, MACD indicator. Boom, baby. Still bullish, like it, but the bars are starting to flatline. That is typically signs of potential consolidation and premature reversal momentum. RSI indicator, pretty high. So bear all that in mind. Not a whole lot I can do here, boss. Again, it's a penny, you know. It's very difficult to conduct fundamental analysis here, but you know, if I had to guess, I think we're supporting about there. But you know, honestly, it's very tough, right? The candles are just not there. The liquidity is not the same, and you can see the volume is substantially low. So it's always a lot more difficult to conduct technicality with these kind of stocks. But I hope that was helpful. You can at least see big picture wise how we're kind of moving momentum wise. OEG and OPTT. Okay. You can see, guys, I'm just burning through these one line at a time. You know I got you, man. You know I got you. That's why I'm going quick too, guys. So, you know, give me some forgiveness here. We got to cover as many as we can. Oh, man. Good pick. So I see why you're watching this, right? It does look like it's absolutely about to explode. Why is it about to explode? A few things here. One, boom. Look at the volume, guys. Sitting pretty good. We did tail off with a little less than I'd like, but no biggie. Momentum has been fairly flat. Nothing too crazy. It's a little more towards the bearish direction, but whatever. RSI indicator, not too bad. We're about halfway up the indicator, so that is not absolutely terrible. This thing is about to pop, and let me tell you why I think so. Outside looking in, not aware of any catalyst. Check this out, boss. I think we're sitting in a nice bull pennant pattern, baby. This is an extremely bullish pattern. It's a continuation pattern. We come into it with continuous positive momentum. We enter into the pattern. We enter into a point of squeeze, and then we exit that shit with some nice positive momentum. Hence, continuation pattern. I like the way that this is looking. I like this pick, man. Good job on this stock. And again, utilize risk management. This is not financial advice. But, you know, one thing I am kind of seeing is we kind of had something similar to that in the past. You know, we did creep out of this pennant pattern if this was the case historically. But again, right, we sat in somewhat of a triangular motion and then we pushed out of it, right? So is this thing just keeping on? let's see. Orbital Energy Group. Oh, it sounds like an energy company. So I see why you're watching it. I might investigate a little bit further because I do like that pick. Thank you for sharing, DNO. Smash that like button, guys. Smash the like. Let's get after it, boys and girls. Let's go. OPTT. Yeah. I need a drink. Okay, check this bad boy out. Ocean Power Technology. Anything with power, energy, whatever, I like it. Volume has been increasing very subtly, but it doesn't matter. It's going up. Catalyst is up and coming on March 8th after hours session. Check it out. Momentum. I do actually like what I'm seeing. One, it's bearish. But two, it's flatlining, okay? So for those who are not familiar with how to utilize this indicator, a little tidbit is that as it starts to flatline like this, that is typically good signs, and it's indicating premature reversal signs, okay? So essentially what it's doing as the bars are flat, it means momentum is flat, hence consolidation. So I like the way that it's looking. Can we start to see this regress a little more towards positive momentum? RSI indicator, about halfway up, not too bad, Chief. Now, let me take a little bit of a closer look here. Now, this does look like it is kind of coming out of a cup and handle pattern or is still within a cup and handle pattern. Look it up online, please. But we essentially have the cup here, and then here's our handle, and then we could see some explosiveness right out of the gate. Let's see what happens. I think more interim, though. I think we can identify some pretty clear levels here, boss. Oh, baby. Okay. One, pretty clean support here, right? 495. I like it. We've tested it previously as a resistance level, as an old resistance level, and it looks like this old resistance level became a new support where we easily double bottom at it. So I feel really good about the strength of that. And then it does look like we have been digressing a little bit the last few days or week essentially. So, you know, are we entering into this triangular shaped pattern, and are we going to enter a point of squeeze and shoot up like an effing machine? Let's take a look at it. But again, I do like momentum. Let's pay attention to the MACD indicator. If you utilize that, not everyone prefers it, but that's personally what I'm going to do. And again, I think we are consolidating, which is not the worst case sign. Stock G, LKCO, William, I got you. Let's get it. Everyone is asking about this stock. I don't know what the F it is. And now I know why everyone's asking about it, because this MF is up 32.5%. Good night. Okay, volume is still increasing like an absolute machine. I see why you're watching, and I see you seeing me seeing you, son. Let's get after it. My goodness. I apologize. Okay. Yeah. This is not liking me. Okay, so here we are. Let's take a look at our indicators. Momentum indicator looks good, baby. We still are extremely bullish, and we are progressing on that momentum. So the bars are creeping up. I like that. Obviously, it's extended to death. Would you expect anything less, being that this thing is straight to the moon right now? This thing is in moon mode right now. Okay, baby. Clear drawing set. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. If you're looking to jump in, more interim. As you can see, right, this thing has just been appreciating like a machine. I'm seeing a few levels here. I'm going to draw them in. I think there's a nice support here at 101. I think there's a nice resistance here, or just a key level period. I call it support, more interim at 134. And then it does look like we are in a potential bull pennant pattern to tail off the last trading session on Friday, which is not a bad sign, right? A lot of positive momentum there. And then we obviously, you know, we're in moon mode right now. So we might shoot to the F and moon, shooting out of this pennant pattern. And again, you saw momentum on the big chart. So I think this thing is still riding pretty high, but be very careful, right? With anything that's this swingy, you know, anything that pushes up this fast can obviously sell off just as fast to match. I hope that helped you out, boss. Keep slamming that beer, son. Sharp Ghost Studios, you Amy graph looking real tight. Let's take a look. Smash that like button. Let's go. Smash that like. Smash it. You Amy. All right. United States anti-mon. I don't even know how to say that word. Wow. I feel like an idiot. Okay. You know what? Good call, boss. Look at this. Textbook bull pennant pattern, man. You guys are calling out the bull pennants today, and I absolutely love it. Check that out. Textbook bull pennant pattern. Looks like we are entering a point of squeeze towards this tail end. How much longer can this squeeze continue? This thing's ready to pop. I don't know, but I see why you're watching. I see you seeing me seeing you. Let's get after it, son. Volume is decreasing just a little bit, just to tail off the last trading session. No big deal. It's the end of the week, right? So things like that aren't uncommon. Now, be cognizant of the momentum here, right? It is a little subtle in the bearish direction, but and the bars are increasing, but you know, nothing too crazy right now. This could flip, you know, pre-market tomorrow for all we know. Rsi indicator is pretty extended, as you can imagine, but either way, I think this thing looks like it is absolutely ready to pop. I see why you're watching it. Let's get after it. Let's get to the money. It's going to get hot in the kitchen. And if it's going to get too hot in the kitchen, get out of it. Stay out of the kitchen. Let's go, baby. Smoking Dabber-Do 420. Dabber-Do, man. That must be that loud. CNVCF, please. I did cover it already, boss. Again, really quickly. Not a big, I can't do penny stocks too well, but I can give you my 2 cents. 1, volume is increasing. And 2, I think momentum is still riding high, but be careful because those bars are starting to flatline. Okay, boss? That's what I got for you on that, balls. Get your oven mitts. You're damn right. Get your oven mitts ready. I'm about to go grab mine, and I'm about to grab a cup of something, you know, with sugar in it, maybe. Hackin' Don. Let's go. Cup and handle. BFT. Stephen Luke. BFT. I like the play here. Fully transamine. Guys, this is a SPAC stock, and this is a absolute sleeper, and it is a textbook pattern right now. I love it. This is very easy to play, in my opinion. Volume has been consistent throughout the last about month and a half, okay? Not a bad thing. Check this out. All right, check it out sometime in the future. Okay, check this out. Look at this. MACD indicator, boom, baby. Reversing right now, and those bars are growing. They're growing strong, son. Check this out, RSI. It's a little higher, but that's okay. Now, I left a pattern in here that I was identifying before. An ascending channel pattern. Very common pattern. I sound like a broken record. I get it. But if a stock is continuously bullish, you're going to see this pattern regardless. Now, one thing I like is that this thing is textbook, guys. Look at this. This is your typical buy low, sell high. Okay, look, every time we approach dynamic support, boom, right to the moon. Every time we approach dynamic resistance, boom, rejection. So very easy to play here, and it does look like it is showing signs of confirmation as it is crossing over my 9-day EMA line, which is what I like to refer to for confirmation. So it does look like it is starting to run, and it does look pretty beautiful. For those who are not familiar, I know a little bit about this. This is fully transamine. This is ran by Bill Foley. It's a SPAC company, pretty big SPAC, and it is in the whole online gambling space. They plan on acquisitioning a reverse merger with a company known as PaySafe, and PaySafe will essentially be the PayPal of like online gambling, the PayPal of like DraftKings, whatever you may have it. Doesn't look too bad. I see why you're watching it. Let's go, baby. All right, BFT. SOS. Can anyone? Okay, SOS. Coffee. Yeah, I need coffee. Damn it. CNVCF. I did get. I got you, Dabber-Do. Thank you, G. Ali. Let's go. CMLF. Let's take a look. All right. Not too bad here. It does look like it is popping every time it kind of regresses back down. It does look like volume is picking up just a little bit, and momentum is still riding pretty high, but it is starting to regress back down. RSI indicator is showing signs that this thing is extended to absolute death. So be very, very careful with more interim price movements here. And again, pretty textbook here, right? Fairly bullish pennant pattern, right? Entered into it, squeezed out of it, and now we might be entering one again. It's not really looking too much like one. It could be an ascending triangle pattern, but either way, you know, I still feel confident about that dynamic resistance level. And then at the very least, I think in the more interim, we're seeing a nice support level there at about 25.42. So pay attention to those levels, boss. Okay. CCIV merger is not yet confirmed. Okay, appreciate you sharing, guys. Smash that like. Let's go. Bobby Heagley, message retracted. I don't know what that means. Okay, INKW. Let's go. All right, penny stock, you fiend. I knew it. Anyone who calls out a penny stock, I'm gonna call you fiend. All right. 0.1075. Okay, cool. Volume pretty steady. Okay, I see why you've been watching it the last week, but it is kind of cooling down from the last run up. Now, those like momentum is starting to flatline. Not too bad, but RSI is still pretty high in my opinion. This thing looks extended to absolute death. Let's zoom in a little bit closer here. Right, very clear support here, boss. Very clear level support, whatever you want to call it, at 0.0897. These damn penny stocks. And then I feel good about that resistance up there, boss. And I think I'm going to draw another level here. And another level here. as well. Okay, so these are the levels I feel really confident about. I think we are currently sitting within this channel here, right? Let's see what can happen next. Let's keep on keeping on. But again, you saw the momentum, you saw the volume, so bear all that in mind. All right, CNVCF. What's up, brother? Let's get LMT. Let's get lit moon time. I don't know what that means. Let's get it. Jared Cobb, LMT. You know I got you, brother. Let's get it, brother. Lockheed Martin. Oh, buddy. Lockheed Martin's down the street from me, guys. Lockheed. Okay, this company, you're fine. Okay, you know what? They ain't selling jet planes during the global pandemic, right? So they didn't really do a whole lot the last 6 months. Now they are approaching, and they have bounced substantially at this level here, at this all-time low within the 6 months of 319.81. So I think it's starting to recover now. This thing's been somewhat volatile, but here's the one thing I do like. I do like the volume. Excuse me, but be cognizant of the upcoming dividend yield that is coming up in the near future here. MACD indicator, pretty flat, but it is starting to somewhat possibly digress here, right? So flatlining isn't bad. It means consolidation, typically. RSI indicator about halfway. Not too bad, boss head. Not too bad. Okay. Now, let's go a little bit closer for you here. All right. Psych. Okay. Buddy. Sorry, I hope I'm not, like, screwing up your eyeballs here. 336 support, I feel pretty good about it. Now, if we start creeping back up, I think we're going to test, if anywhere, more at about 339. Again, this is all in relation to interim. Right now, I am seeing nice signs of confirmation here. We are starting to creep above that EMA line. So since we experienced that crossover, can we keep on keeping on? Again, Lockheed Martin, if you're probably more into this long term, I'm guessing you're not trading this. But if you are, I think you're going to sit fine. It's going to take a lot for it to get back down to 319 again. This company has just been an absolute machine for a very long time, right? It's a government company, right? The lowest we've ever seen in the last year was 288. But again, it has bounced so hard off that level. So I think it's starting to possibly recover. Let's see what could happen next with Lockheed Martin. Smoker, I got you on that stock, boss. Again, man, it's very penny-esque. Just can you hit me up in Discord, and then I'll try to get you a little bit better of a technical analysis on that, boss. Followed you, Stock G. Jared, you the man. Smash that like button, guys. You're killing me. Been holding for a while. TTCF, Tattooed Chef. Let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. This company's going to be fine. I like them long-term a lot. Okay, you've been holding for a while? Let's talk about it. Sorry guys, let me see if I can remove that level. Okay, now I've been holding these levels for a while now, and I'm going to keep holding them because it is staying within this channel and it is following suit. The levels that I'm seeing support wise, $23, and then resistance wise, $27. Let's talk about momentum a little bit here, boss. Okay, momentum, not too bad. I mean, it's still bearish, okay, and it has tried to somewhat reverse at some point in time. But one thing I'm not liking is that the bars are starting to creep back a little bit here, but RSI is not too bad as well. But again, rest assured, I think Tattooed Chef is a very, very good long-term play. I think this company can easily double by the end of this year. Earnings are coming up on March 1st. Let's pay attention to their books. I have looked at their books for this company, and they don't look too bad, boss. Again, Tattooed Chef, I think they're a phenomenal company. Volume's been holding very steady as well, right? Is this alluding to potential pre-anticipatory running leading up to earnings? Let's see the case here. But again, I feel good about Tattoo Chef, man. You know, this isn't financial advice, but me personally, I think I would like to at least entertain jumping into it, as it has been sitting in this pattern pretty well, and it is approaching that strong support level that it has hit historically. All right. Thank you for SOS info. Anytime, boss. Michael, Forshi, appreciate you, man. APXT, y'all are about it, man. I hear this stock every video. I might just do a damn video on it. APXT, man, guys, textbook. Look at this guy. This is fun. This is fun, in my opinion. You can play this baby all day. Look at this. It is following suit consistently. This thing is a absolute comeback king. These are the plays you want. You want plays that are repeatable and are consistent and predictable. Look at this. MACD indicator. Boom, baby. We are experiencing nice bullish momentum. Bars are increasing. Let's get after it. RSI indicator. It's a little higher than I'd like, but, you know, either way, man, look at this. This is textbook, guys. buy low, sell high. Look at that. I don't even got to say anything more. And look at this too. It is now experiencing confirmation. It is breaking through my 9-day EMA line. For me, that is signs of confirmation, which is good. So we are confirming that reversal / positive momentum as we have experienced a potential bounce once again out that floor of about 1425. Okay, guys. So I like this company. I appreciate you, and I see you seeing me, seeing you. Hold on. I don't know. I don't own any, but PDAC is going to bounce hard in the AM. You think so, man? Let's take a look, boss. Guys, smash that like button. We're going to keep the stream going, okay? And if the like buttons aren't there, then I'm going to go hit the gym, okay? I'm going to go pump some iron, brother. Check this out. I feel good if I can draw this crap in, right? I feel good about that dynamic resistance there, and I feel good about a dynamic support here. I think we're sitting in a channel here. We have dipped out of it a little bit, and we'll zoom in a little bit closer just to make sure we're seeing that accuracy. Volume looks good. Okay, I see why you're watching it. Momentum indicator, it looks a little flat to me, but it is, you know, it is starting to creep a little bit into bearish momentum, but I don't think that means crap. You know, we had a nice little blimp here of bullish momentum, and then, you know, it's trying to reverse, but it isn't really, right? So there's not a whole lot there, so I'm taking it with a grain of salt. Rsi indicator, though, it's been extended for quite a while. But either way, I think we are keeping on. I think we're in a nice ascending channel pattern, potentially speaking. Excuse me. And then on the 5-day, right, we are following suit within that pattern. You could draw your lines in a little bit tighter, but again, I'm looking at this from a high level. This wick right here, just ignore that. It is what it is. It's just an outlier. But either way, I think we're going to keep on keeping on. I like the volume. I like the momentum. But right now, I think it's kind of stagnant. So that means that, you know, it has opportunity to potentially pop in the near future. I see why you're watching it. I know you don't like penny stocks, but I want to see you do TPAC because I'm thinking about buying 100 million shares. Oh my gosh, 100 what? 100 million? 100 million? Okay. Let's take a look at TPAC, guys. Smash that like button. Oh, 100 million? Okay, I can see why you're going to buy 100 million. So that's like $2. Okay, let's take a look here. So, good Lord, man. Okay. Volume, right? It's been steady. So something's going on here. People are playing with it, right? Obviously, it's manipulated. It's a penny stock, right? Dogecoin. Check this out. Momentum. It's digressing a little bit, so be careful with your 2 million shares or your $2. And then RSI indicator, right? It's about halfway. But again, RSI is pointing down. Momentum is losing steam, but volume is still holding decently strong. So, you know, what does it mean, right? One thing I do like too is based on, sorry about this. One thing that I do like as well on my 180-day chart, we are holding above that EMA line. So if we can bounce right here, pay attention to it close. If we can bounce right here, I think we're going to keep on keeping on. But again, be careful with your $2, okay? I'm just kidding. What does that convert to? 100 million? 100 million. Let's see how dumb let's see how dumb I'm going to make myself look live here. What, 3 decimals? 50K? Damn, baby. Okay, baller. Yeah, be careful with that. But again, you saw what I had to say about it. So again, just be very cognizant of that. Amy, what's poppin', Amy? Good to see you tonight. Let's go. ARQ. ARQ, are you kidding me? This is a phenomenal ETF, man. Because my wife, Kathy Woods, owns it. Look at this, guys. ARQ, man. Look at the volume. Good night, man. This is a good stock, okay? I don't even care. Look at this. Wait a minute. Where's it going to go? What is this, Tesla? I mean, look at this thing, man. This thing's a damn machine. It's been doing it for 6 months straight. It's steady. It's consistent. It's secure. It's ARQ, guys. It's an ETF, exchange-traded fund. So it's comprised of multiple stocks. Take a look at it if you guys get a chance. Again, ARK Investments is a phenomenal investment firm. One thing I do like too is momentum is starting to chill back, and it's potentially approaching a nice reversal point of keep it on, baby. RSI indicator, it's a little high, but it is what it is. This stock is going to keep appreciating. Now, if you're looking to jump in, Amy, more interim, or you just already have it, good for you, because I think you're going to sit fine for a long time, right? We're smashing here at this support, generally about 97.25. So pay attention to that resistance. I feel good about that resistance right here. And then it does look like, you know, more interim, we did break out of that resistance level. So it begs the question, right? Can we keep this momentum going, especially leading up to the pre-market tomorrow? And then can we smash that current all-time high, approaching that level about $101? We'll see what happens. But I think long-term, this stock is fine. Great pick. Jared Cobb, LMT, I already got you, brother. Tony Leggett, IMBI. That almost spells Bambi. Okay, let me see here. IMBI, did I get it? Here we go. Smash that like button, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Who else is streaming right now with this light in the background, okay? Nobody. You see them bottles right there? That's all soda. And soda tastes really good. I like this resistance level right here at about 882, okay? Wherever it is, generally speaking, right? You can see it's absolutely, you know, double topped here. Clearly, smash it, right? Excuse me. Now, momentum. Let's take a look at it. Right? Momentum. It's digressing pretty aggressively, but be careful, okay? It's still strong bullish, but the bullish momentum is losing, and RSI indicator is extended to death, so this could be premature signs of an extreme rejection off that all-time high of that 888 about level. Now, volume, you know, it's kind of chilling right now, nothing too crazy. Now, if we do start to come back down, let's take a closer look here. Okay, now, let me go to, let's check out the 10-day. Let's go a little bit further back. I'm trying to see, what I'm trying to do for you here is I'm trying to see a nice level where I think, there it is. So if we start creeping back down, boss, 787, okay, I think we'll test at that level if we do. I don't think it'll be an absolute straight shot down. I think we'll test there next, if anywhere. And then on top of that, right, I think regardless, I think we're sitting good within this channel up here. Let's see if we can keep holding strong. And again, we are approaching a very, very strong resistance level, and we are rejecting at it now, arguably testing on the big picture. So let's keep watching. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Smash that like button, gang. Let's go. Let's go. I wish I was more fired up, but I will be after the gym. I promise. I'm going to get that pump. EH. I don't know nothing about EH, and it's a penny stock. Yikes. Actually, I don't think it's a penny stock, but it just doesn't have a lot of volume. Okay, so... right, volume is steady at the very least, regardless of proportionately it doesn't have a lot, or regardless of numerically it doesn't have a lot, but proportionally it's pretty steady. I like that. MACD indicator, it's still pretty bullish, but be a little careful because they have been digressing. However, you know, it does look like it is starting to recover, right? We went down and now we're kind of creeping back up. So I kind of like that RSI indicator. I don't even know why I talked to the RSI indicator because, you know, it's not always applicable. It just depends on the situation here. Now, I'm going to talk really quick here. If you want to get in more interim on the 20-day, look at these damn stocks, man. Y'all kill me. I think it's holding this moving average pretty well, okay? If you want to get in, right, I'm seeing a little bit of a support here and a little bit of a resistance here, if I can draw it in, all right? But again, I'm not too big on penny stocks, but I hope that helps you out, okay, at the very least. And again, we talked big picture already about what we're seeing. Great video on SENS, just watched it. Thank you, Steve Salter. Honestly, when I looked into SENS, I've been hearing about this stock nonstop, and I finally did a video, did my due diligence. Man, I'm jumping in, let me tell you. I'm jumping in, guys. You heard it here first. Let's go. I'm jumping in. I just don't know when yet. I can let you guys know what my trading signals are if you join the Discord channel. The Discord is free very momentarily. It's probably going to be free for like one more week. We already have 1,000 people in there about, so hop on in, guys. No spamming and no promoting, or you're getting the F out of there. You're getting out. You're getting the boot on the ass. Get out of my Discord if you're there to promote. We're not there for your shit. We're there to grow as a community, okay? That's your forewarning. OPTT, gonna be the next sleeper, I'm telling you. And Stock G is always telling me the goods. So let's take a look at it. All right. Oh yeah, we covered this in this video, and yes, I agree. I like the signs that it's showing, and I do like that it's a power technology stock. I'm gonna do more research because if it's relating to power and or energy, I feel good about it, especially long term, and I feel good more interim in terms of a nice pop that we might see. Solo, let's take a look at Solo Mechanica. Okay, so Mechanica, this is a Canada-based EV company. They do these little scooter cars, so it's kind of like the Polaris slingshot equivalent of EVs, little scooter. So I have made a video on this on this company, guys. If you want more information, check out my channel. I got you covered. In-depth details on Solo, or aka Mechanica. Damn, man, Mechanica. Got you covered. Check out the video. Let's get after it, right? Volume's been steady. I like it, and it has been sitting in a pretty nice ascending channel pattern. I talked about this stock more, I believe it was when it was around, gosh, where was it? I think it was like $5. So you can see, you know, it has been doing pretty well, right? We obviously experienced a nice surge But either way, it has cooled off, and now it is finally chilling in a nice uptrend that is nice and steady. And this ascending channel pattern, experiencing higher highs and higher lows. And one thing that I do like as we approach this support level that we've been consistently hitting, this dynamic support level, right? I want to see if we can start to show signs of confirmation and keep on keeping on. One thing I'm going to personally look for is see if we can have a crossover on this exponential moving average that I have set here. Again, that's me personally. I'm going to wait till we have a crossover there, and that's going to indicate confirmation for me that we are in a nice reversal state. It does look like momentum is starting to tail off towards bullish direction, so I do like that. And Rsi Indicator looks very favorable, so you know what, not a bad pick. I really enjoy that you picked this stock, and I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good. Wow, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go next. Bro, Xbang has a lock-up period on 23.2. Okay, before earning, what do you think it goes down? What you think it will goes down or now? Okay, smash that like button. Let's go, baby. Let's take a look at Xbang. I don't know anything about catalysts. Again, I'm not here to share catalysts unless I am like very confident in them. But at the very least, I'll give you technicality. And let me review your comment one more time here. It has a lockup period on 2/23 before earnings. Okay. You know, aside from that, let me just talk to you about technicalities. Okay, I'm going to keep it consistent on here. Okay, I've been saying in our previous videos, we've been sitting nice in this channel. All right, consistently. We've been sitting here nice about the last 2 weeks. Let's see what can happen. Earnings are coming up on 3/8. Okay. Let's see. Yep, on 3/8, it looks like about pre-market. So let's pay attention to that. I think Xbang is fine long-term, boss. I don't know when you got in, but be very careful. And again, I think we're going to test some levels on the way up. Big picture, I think 57 is going to be a nice crushing point. It's going to be a little hard to cross over. And I think more interim, right? We're probably going to test about here next at about 51, assuming that we can cross over finally above that 48.55 level. APFA. Guys, smash that like button, damn it. If you ain't smashing it, I'm smashing this soda right behind me, okay? All right, you don't want to see that live, okay? Because you can't handle it. AFA. This thing is cooling down. This thing is absolutely cooling down. Not a bad thing. It could mean a potential buying opportunity. Momentum is still very bearish. However, it is digressing just a little bit, okay? So not a terrible sign, but let's be careful of that because it is very strong bearish momentum. Rsi Indicator, as you can imagine, is at a favorable buying point proportionately to the volumes that we've been seeing, or movement that we've been seeing. Volume high as well, right? You see the blue bars behind here creeping. Now, clearly you can see it is finding a nice support generally about that level. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here on the 5-day, right? To the T, we're essentially been consolidating generally about, you know, that $16 mark the last 2 trading sessions as it, you know, followed a huge sell-off here. And then more interim, it is starting to find a nice resistance level generally about here at about 1980. We can call it there. It doesn't have to be exact, but you get what I'm saying. Now, one thing I think we need to do is that we need to cross over this line. And then if we do, there's a lot it's going to take to get back up here because that sell-off was huge, my man or woman. It was huge. Now, doesn't mean, you know, we have to move all the way up here, but I think if we do, again, we're gonna have to test that 1983 on the way up, and I think we either there's a couple places we can test. I think we can test here, right? Or we can test generally, I would say about there, right? So there's a couple levels to go on up, back up to the promised land, but be careful with that. It does look like it has experienced a huge sell-off. So really a lot of things are imminent for its future. Got people Neo contracts. Let's hop that support. Let's hope that support holds. What do you think about, yikes. Okay, smash that like button, guys. Let's get after it. What do you think about THBR already? Be ready to blow. THBR, is it ready to blow? Let's take a look. Let's go, brother. All right, 180-day chart. Is it ready to blow? I'm not seeing any signs of that, okay? But it doesn't sound like Thunder Bridge acquisition, right? The name acquisition, hence, I'm assuming this is a SPAC company, so is it ready to blow from a potential merger that is confirming soon? I don't know. I'm not seeing an upcoming catalyst on my calendar here either, so I don't know if there's merger. I don't know if there's merger news or what's going on. Volume I do like, I do appreciate it, and I see you seeing me seeing you. Momentum is, you know, it's a little bullish right now, but nothing too crazy, and it is starting to digress. Right back down there, brother. Let's go back, or sister. Let's go to the 180 days. Sorry, I'm trying to reset here. Okay, RSI, yes, it's pretty high if you can see it down there. Now, I'm going to hold these levels here that I drew in previously when analyzing the stock because I feel confident about it. One thing is, though, right? I want to look more interim, right? I think we are finding support here, right? About $12. And hopefully we can bounce off there and start heading towards the promised land. But again, refer to these levels that I've drawn in if you like. Not financial advice, but I feel confident about these levels. And again, I think we have a little more, I think we need to pick up a little more steam before we can really see a nice run up towards that all-time high. Again, I'm not aware of any catalysts. Please share below in the comments, but that is what I have for a technical analysis. Tell. Excuse me. All right. Tell. Again, I think we're sitting very clearly, right? Dynamic support level here. Let me clear this up for you again. This isn't cheating. I've just covered this a lot. Upcoming catalyst, first of all, 222, okay? That catalyst is coming soon. I see why you're watching it. I see you, see me, seeing you. Volume is increasing, okay? Pre-anticipatory running, perhaps. Let's see. Momentum, it's dying down pretty quickly, okay? Be careful of that Rsi indicator. It is pretty extended right now. However, I feel really good that it's sitting in a little bit of a squeezing period here, okay? Is this potentially a triangular? Is this potentially, right, a nice triangle pattern? And either way, if it's not, this dynamic support feels really good, okay? We're holding very strong above that. And one thing that I do appreciate is that we are holding above this EMA line. Now, more interim, right? You can see we are consolidating, generally speaking. But either way, I feel good about some certain levels we can draw on here, right? So let's see what happens next. Again, the stock's a little unknown right now, a little shaky for me, but I see why you're watching it again, big picture especially. So let's see what happens here. And I want to see what happens more pre-market tomorrow and see if we can break some of these, you know, resistance levels up here and keep on keeping on, baby. Smash that like button. Go. All right, CCK is very promising. Is it? Let's take a look. You know what? It's not promising if you don't smash that like button. I'll tell you that. This stock's taking a dump tomorrow if you don't hit that like button, okay? I'm going to call up the firms and tell them, hey, hedge, yeah, hey, short this stock, man. F this guy, man, or woman, okay? Short this stock. You know why? Because they ain't smashing the like button, brother. All right, dynamic support. I feel good about it. Generally about here. And I'm going to see if I can draw it in just a little bit better for you. But, you know, I think there is a dynamic support here, regardless. If I can draw it in. It's not my mouse, I promise. Okay. I feel good about that. I think we've been holding strong above it. EMA line, this teal line, we're holding strong above that as well. So it is showing nice signs of confirmation for me. Okay. Volume, I see you, seeing me. Volume has been holding pretty high. So I like that. And we did have pretty good earnings reports. Now, momentum, it's kind of flat right here, but it is fairly bullish. So I do like that. RSI is extended to death. What would you expect? Okay. With that being said, let's go a little bit closer here, boss. Okay. I think there's a nice, again, support here. I'm seeing a nice level generally about here. Potentially a level here, right? So I think we are sitting a little bit in a channel here, right? In the more interim. Let's see if we can smash through this next level at about $99.60 and keep on keeping on. But again, it looks like earnings were doing good. It looks like this company is doing good. So I see why you're watching Crown Holdings. Goat. Chaz, I don't know if you're calling me a goat or you want the stock goat, so I'm going to type in both. Goat. Let's go. Okay, I don't think you literally were calling out goat, but all right, man, let me tell you something, man. This thing looks like Tic Tacs, man. What the hell is this? What the hell, man? Look at this, man. Let me do some technical analysis. All right, it looks like on the 10-day, man. It looks like one day we were up to 35, and then, like, you know, the next day we were yikes. That's a yikes for me, brother. Too much doji. Stay out the kitchen. IMBI. I already did IMBI, Tony. Check it out. Rewind the video. I got you after I post this, baby. Let's get after it. What time is it, guys? Okay, it's almost gym time. EQNR, baby. All right, let's take a little bit of a look here. Big chart, okay. A little bit choppy, again, for me. Looks like we had dividends recently and earnings they did not too bad on. Volume looks phenomenal. Volume is holding tight and it's holding strong, baby. Momentum, it's still kind of bearish, but you know, it is starting to retract back down. So I do like that. RSI is not at a bad price, not at a bad position. Now, one thing I'm going to wait for, okay? I'm going to wait for confirmation right about here, brother, okay? I'm going to wait till these candlesticks jump right above this line, and then I think it's looking pretty favorable. But, you know, be cognizant of a level we'll have to test next, generally about that 1866 mark. So if we show signs of confirmation, we start becoming very bullish. I think we test next at about 1866. Be careful. Excuse me, guys. Smash that like. EQNR. Nope. Are you in Arizona? I'm not. I am in Alabama, and it is cold as shit. DNN. I actually moved here to get away from the cold. I'm from Minnesota, and I moved to the south, and it's cold. Again, what the hell, guys? And then as soon as I moved, a global pandemic kicked off. Man, I have the best luck. Diamond hands. DNN. Oh, it's not working. There we go. All right, bet. So, Denison Mines Corporation. Okay, I don't know what they mine. Maybe it's lithium. I don't know. Looks a little manipulated right now, right? This volume is kind of absolutely coming out of nowhere, so be very careful with that, boss. Momentum is very, very close to, you know, showing signs of a reversal. So be very, very careful. RSI is extended to death. Nothing's looking too favorable right now. I'm just going to be honest with you, okay? The one thing I do like, though, big picture, it has been appreciating, but I think, you know, in my opinion, this is what I think is going to happen, right? I think all this right here is a little manipulated. I think it'll pull back substantially, which it does look like it has. And then it'll start to kind of cool off, you know, towards this direction. But I don't think it's just going to like shoot straight back up. I think it's going to start, you know, becoming more healthy, but it does look like it has been fairly parabolic, okay? And that is my opinion with Denison Mines. I'd like to look into them. I wonder if they do mine lithium. Do NEO, check out the pattern. NEO has a beautiful bull flag, could push 70, guys. NEO is going to explode, and let me tell you why. Because it's going to the moon. Okay, this is what I've been seeing on NEO, guys. I'm the NEO guy, okay? I do NEO videos almost daily, okay? And if you want to see me fired up in those videos, I spend 80%, 90% of my time editing those videos. Not my time, but 80% of the editing is me swearing, okay? So I get fired the F up. Let's go. I think NEO, in my opinion, okay, I've been watching this closely. Again, I think it's still sitting in this channel, okay? I think it's just kind of consolidating a little bit. I need a little more of a pop, okay? Now, we have earnings up and coming, okay? March 1st. Really pay attention to that. NEO, guys, you're fine. Look at NEO. It's been holding volume so consistently, right? It's a little less than it has been, you know, in the last month, or, you know, about 2 months ago. But you can see in the past month, it's been steady, okay? We have strong holders in this company, and that's why it's consolidating, okay? This thing experiences huge push-ups, as it has historically, right? A lot of this was attributing to that EV bubble. But we see huge push-ups, and we follow with a common trend of just consolidating across, right? So I think we're in that same movement, right? We just kind of zigzag up, sideways, up, sideways. What's next? Up, baby. So I feel good about NEO. Again, I'll keep you updated. We'll see what happens tomorrow, and then I'll come out with my NEO video. And then we'll see how fired up we get. I'm going to be fired up either way, because if it sells out, I'm going to be pissed. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to be pissed. I'm going to be pissed either way. Psych. I think this thing's in moon mode, honestly. I like that we're sitting in the 60s still, 59.85, whatever. But I think NEO has a lot of run to move. People are sleeping on this company. And I'm telling you guys, yes, people are grinning and bearing. They're like, oh, it's in the 50s and 60s right now. Okay, well, guess what? We're going to be complaining the same thing in a couple weeks from now, when we're going to be like, oh, now it's just sitting in the 70s and 80s right now. So again, it's part of the game. Very healthy stock, very healthy company. NEO is an absolute machine long term. SQ, baby. All right, Square Inc. Square, okay, transaction company. Damn it, man. Sorry, let me fix this real quick. Okay, volume steady as a machine. I like it. And we have earnings up and coming. I see why you're watching. I see you, see me, seeing you. February 23rd after market hours. Okay, so I do like that. Momentum is reversing right now. Good signs. I appreciate you. Rsi Indicator, a little extended. Okay, be careful. Guys, look at this damn thing. Where's it going? Nowhere. Psych, it's going to the moon, because that's all it has been doing. This thing's in absolute moon mode, okay? Dynamic support, very clear. It's just holding that strong. I mean, this thing is a machine. With that being said, I think it's a little extended right now, and I think it's double topping off this dynamic resistance level. I think it's going to cool down before it pushes back up, or it can absolutely break through prior to earnings or breakthrough after earnings. So be very careful. But again, as it approaches this level and it is extended to death, I think it's going to cool down very soon here, okay? But again, you never know what could happen. Just be very cognizant of that, okay? CTRM, let's take a look. Thought I already did this one. Pennies, okay. Yeah, did I do this one, guys? Am I tripping? Yeah, okay, well, yeah. I think we did this one. Either way, you can see what I'm seeing, right? Nice support here. We're squeezing. I want to see if we can break out of that. I did cover this already. And again, if you want a little more of a review of that, just wait till I upload the video and skip to that section. Made 22% off old dog coin from last night's dip to this morning. Nice. I don't know how to look up dog coin on here. You got to show me how. I think you can. Rolf de Falafel 50K. What's the software you use? It's called Thinkorswim. It's trash. Fletcher Hall, snow. All right, let's go. Smash that like, guys. Come on now. Come on. It's easy. If you guys can spend time to go zombie, eyeballs pinned to your cell phone or computer screen or TV, because I guess I've got the boys watching me right now on the TV. If you guys can do that, you can smash that like button, guys. That's easy. That's all I ask. Come on now. Let's get after it, okay? It keeps me motivated, right? It shows that I'm receiving, it shows that I'm adding value and I'm receiving that value back, because if I'm not, it's confirmation to me that I'm helping you guys out. That's really all it is, and it helps the algorithm, right? Let's get some people fired up. I want to grow a community. That's all I want. Let's get after it. Let's make some money, okay? I feel good about that dynamic support. Not dynamic. I feel good about that support and resistance level. Snowflake. I like Snowflake. Okay. Pretty strong company. Volume's been a little bit lower, but it's been steady. Earnings are up and coming on 3-3. Okay. So I see why you're watching. I see you seeing me seeing you. And Rsi Indicator is starting to digress a little bit, but it is in bearish momentum. So be careful. Rsi Indicator, not too bad of a position for you there, boss. But again, I think it has a little more room to sell off before it goes back up. But let's see, around earnings time, anything can really happen. And again, just be ready for absolutely anything. There can be great earnings and this thing can absolutely take a dump. So again, but that part of that is the game, right? Part of that's just traders cashing out whatever it is off pre-anticipatory running or whatever you may have it. But again, I think it is starting to, I think it's still in somewhat bearish momentum. I want to see if it can cross over this EMA line for me, and that will show signs that it is reversing. So that is snow. I hope that helped you out, brother. Donato, he uses Thinkorswim with TD Ameritrade. Yes, I do. We love soda. Yeah, we love soda. Soda, baby. There's a lot of sugar in that soda, man. You can feel a car, I'll tell you what. Okay. Thank you. Not in it yet, but looking for a good entry point. Awesome, Amy. Glad I could help. Wow, there must be a lot of, I feel like these responses are like 30 minutes ago. Sorry, I'm moving kind of slow, guys. CRNT, I prefer TradingView personally. TradingView, I like TradingView a lot. Actually, I just started using it probably about a month or two ago. I'm just so used to this that, it's just bread and butter for me at this point. That's all it is. I think TradingView is way more visually sound. I like TradingView a lot. And I like the Fibonacci tools and all the other little tools you can use. I really like I really like how you can highlight like your, what the hell is it? Like your profit loss, like your stop loss, entry, exit points, got the green and red square. I love that shit, dude. It's nice. I love it. CRNT, ARK Investing Holding. Okay, so yep, CRNT, I got you. Smash that like, guys. Come on. Who else is streaming right now, okay? Who else is streaming right now? And if they are, the hell out the kitchen, man, because they ain't ready for my heat. Check out this volume, baby. Increasing. Love it, okay? Now, I think we are squeezing right now, okay? Bear with me here. I'm going to draw this out a little bit further. All right, this is me in fantasy land, but I think we are sitting in a potential bullish pennant pattern. Feel free to disagree. It doesn't matter. But either way, I like the way that's looking, either way on the big picture. Now, let's take a step back. Let's look at some of our other indicators. Momentum looks good. It's still increasing. It's starting to flatline a little bit, starting to cool a little bit, but either way, it's still positive. RSI indicator, it's a little higher than I would prefer. Being that we are potentially following suit in this, are we going to retrace off here? Are we going to bounce off here is what I meant to say, right? And I think we kind of are, right? We're starting to kind of cool off. We smashed it like about 3 times, and now we're just completely kind of selling a little bit. We got a nice little red tail right here. So again, be careful with that, but it's not a bad thing, right? If it is following suit, then kind of play with it, right? Maybe it comes down to here, does the same shit, jump in, does the same thing, sell out, does this, right? Have fun with it. Let's see what happens. This is not financial advice. You can make your own financial decisions, but I think I'm seeing somewhat of this squeeze period long term, right? And then is there opportunity for us to have a potential breakout in the more interim? Let's see what happens with that. Man, you are amazing. Love your videos, all the support. Waleed, I love you, loving me. Let's get after it, brother. Let's make some money, baby. Let's get rich. Appreciate you, though, man. I hope you smash that like. If you didn't smash that like, that comment means nothing to me, okay? I'm just kidding, man. I appreciate you. Sundial growers, you guys are fiends over Sundial. Okay, I'm going to do Sundial, but I did make a video on the top 5 meme stocks 2 days ago, okay? Sundial, SOS, Nokia, whatever the hell else. Go check out that video. I got you covered, baby. And then if you want to look at SENS, I made a video 2 hours ago on that company. Guys, that thing is a ticking time bomb. Sleeper. Sundial growers. Let's talk about it, okay? I got price alerts in here. As you can see, we have thoroughly investigated this stock. Okay, Sundial, first of all, take a step back. Canadian cannabis grower, okay? They sell cannabis products, whatever, weed, okay? They're all about it, whatever. I think they're sitting pretty good long term, okay? Now, one thing historically with the stock, you gotta be careful. This stock is known to have short runs, as usual. Short runs, right? Maybe not this is intensity as it has experienced recently, but it experiences short runs all the time, very short-lived. Now, again, with that being said, I think it is cooling down and it's reaching true valuation as it should, right? So I think we're starting to cool down, and I think we might experience, we could experience a bounce here, more interim, being that we are starting to consolidate towards that level. However, momentum is still fairly bearish and the bars are growing, so be very, very careful with this one. Rsi Indicator is not at the most favorable point, but it's not at a terrible point as well. If I look more interim here, right, remove that. I'm just going to get rid of all this here. Okay. One thing I do like, right, very, very interim, but be careful here. Right, I think we're sitting in a little bit of a squeeze or a pennant here, but it does look like it is more of a bearish pennant pattern, right? So with that being said, and it's a continuation pattern. So, right, we enter into it with bearish momentum, squeeze, and then we exit out with bearish momentum. So be careful here, right? There's more things saying bad than good, more interim, but I think long term, I think Sundial is a pretty decent company. If you guys want in-depth information on this company, I made a video about a month or two ago on Sundial growers. Ticker symbol SNDL. I got you covered. It at least gives you a little bit of due diligence about the company. But as you can imagine, there's a lot of things running with cannabis stocks. You got some meme stock, manipulations, right? You got Wall Street bets, Twitter, stock twits, all that shit. All those guys are running this up right now. And we also have the culmination of that with the catalyst of, populating talks with the whole federal regulation of cannabis products. So just be very careful with that. But again, it's strong below my EMA line here. Momentum is still pretty strong in the bearish direction. Be very careful with Sundial growers. That is my 2 cents. Okay. But again, long term, I think we're okay. NOVN, November. NOVN. Sorry, I spelled it wrong. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get after it. Let's go, baby. Guys, if you don't mind, I might go grab a little bit of soda here. NOVM. Did I spell it wrong? Or did you say N, dude? My bad. Okay, there we go. Novin Inc. Okay, I see why you're watching it. Volume, it's been increasing. Makes sense. Look at this thing. It's chucking up like a machine, okay? It was up 18% last trading session, so I see why you're watching it. Earnings, 224 pre-market hours. Be cognizant of that. Momentum, it's got a little bit of a blimp here, but nothing too crazy. Take it with a grain of salt, please, because that is not a terrible amount of momentum, but it is still green. Green is green. RSI indicator extended to absolute death. Now, one thing I think we're potentially seeing, right, we've consistently been kind of falling in a nice, somewhat bull pennant pattern, right? And if not, actually, I drew that like ass. Let me clear my drawing set here. Right, I think we're sitting a little bit of a squeeze here, right? And then we popped out of it. And I think we are arguably repeating that pattern, probably essentially 2 more times here, right? Then we popped out of it. So I would challenge, are we doing that potentially again? Let's get a little more accurate of a view here. And it does look like we are somewhat starting to form another Bold pennant pattern, okay? It doesn't look too bad. It is very consistent. It's very consistent, right? This looks like shit because I drew it, on the bigger chart. But either way, you get the gist of it, right? It's sitting in a consistent pattern state. It goes through a period of squeeze and it keeps on keeping on. So it, follows momentum very well. It recovers very well. But again, a lot of this is more interim, but it has been doing it for essentially 2 months on end, right? It's essentially fell in this pennant pattern like 4 times, guys. I haven't seen something like this in a long time where it's done the exact same damn pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? This thing looks pretty cool. I do like Novin Inc. I see why you're watching, and I see you seeing me, seeing you, son. Smash that like button. Irobot. Better be the ticker symbol. You ain't gonna get it because I know it's not the ticker symbol. I already know. I'm just gonna type it in though. Yep. Come on, man. Killing me. Or woman. Melvin. Come on, Melvin. Dr. Pepper all night, baby. You damn right. Extra sugar. What do you think of Neo? Rewind the video. I got you covered. If not, I got you tomorrow on the daily Neo videos. HEPT. Gotta check this out. Also Xena. Okay. I'm gonna do one only. But I do appreciate you sharing. Just so I can get everybody else's. HEPT. All right, let's check out Xena. All right. Looks good, man. Looks like we're sitting good on the Rsi indicator here. Yeah, it's not working. Xena and HEP. You saw me type in both, brother. I don't know what's going on. Or sister. My bad. I don't know, man. Or woman. ACU. Aurora Solar. Look at you, Allie, trying to sneak in one of your other picks. I see you. I see you, ACU. All right, volume. Volume's consistent. Right? Not too bad. I like it. Dividend company. And it does look like earnings are on 225. Pre-market hours. That is up and coming. Excuse me. Now, let's take a look at our other indicators here. MACD indicator, positive, right? But nothing too crazy, right? It's low, and the bars are starting to digress a little bit. Now, RSI indicator, it's a little higher than I would personally like. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. Okay, no thank you. That's a yikes for me, brother. Now, I think at the very least, we're holding a nice dynamic support here. Okay, I feel good about that. And I think we are potentially entering a nice squeeze once again, guys. Either here or here, regardless of where this triangle is forming. I think we are forming a triangle, and I think there is a potential squeeze up and coming, which could show signs of continual bullish momentum that we entered into this triangle with. So let's see what happens. I think either way, we're finding a nice, support here, regardless of what happens in the future. This is not financial advice. I hope that helped you out, brother. All right. Irobot, man, Melvin, you saw what I said, Melvin. Smash that like, Darwin Smo. I don't touch AMC and JME. I appreciate you, Darwin. Preach, man. Good Lord, man. People are obsessed with this AMC GME. Guys, it's over, damn it. Chill out. TTM. Unless y'all want to keep losing money, I guess. It's up to you, man. All right. Tata Motors. Tata Motors. Check this out, man. All right. Volume's digressing a little bit, but you know what? Whatever. I think more interim. It's been holding a lot of volume. It's been holding it like an absolute machine, baby. Now, take a look at some other things here. Momentum might be approaching a potential reversal. Okay, it was sitting in really, pretty decently strong bearish momentum, and it is approaching that nice reversal point. RSI, not too bad. I would like it to be a little bit lower, but again, that is just my preference. Again, and I see why you're watching this. This thing has been continuously appreciating, guys. Smash that like button before I smash my face. Now, let's take a little bit closer look here. These bars are kind of everywhere because the volume is not the strongest, but it is holding above 1 million, so which isn't too bad. I feel really good about that support. I feel really, really good about that support. Who shared this style? Let me call out your name real quick. Was it you, Amy? It wasn't you, Amy. The Mangled Rabbit. Okay, again, boss, I feel good about that support. It's swinging like a beast. It gapped down like an absolute machine. This thing's everywhere, but regardless, whatever you want to take home, in the last 5 days, this support has been absolutely killing it. I feel good about that. I hope that helped you out. Amy, what you got, man? Reddit is calling for 2 million Tuesday for AMC. Is it really? What? You guys want me to pull up the Reddit page midstream? No way. These Wall Street bet guys are out of their damn mind. I'm going to write that down, okay? Because I want to get rich. I want to gamble my money. F it, whatever. I'll just keep slamming soda in the background. I wouldn't trust WSB. Yeah, Colas. Amy, Colas, you know what? Here's my opinion. I'm more conservative, okay? I'm more conservative. You guys do what you want, whatever, with these stocks. I hope you do well on them. I get it. I don't think it'll ever happen to that extent again with the $500 thing, but that's just my opinion. I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm just being realistic, you know? If you don't understand something, you know, I don't know, guys. You do what works. Don't reinvent the wheel. For me, I found continuous success because I'm consistent and I stick to my rules. I am robotic about it. If it's fitting all my criteria, if everything's satisfied, I continue to do it. It makes sense. I'm not going to just, here you go, Wall Street, you know, maybe. I don't know. Again, don't let me discourage you. Charmander TTV, very good. Okay, Chaz, I was calling you the GOAT. I didn't mean to analyze GOAT. Lame-o. I love it, brother. MVIS, let's go. Guys, I need to get this pumping real soon, okay? I feel the iron. I smell it. Damn it. Microvision. I've heard a lot about this company. I can't recall what they do, but some with vision. No, I'm just kidding. I know they're a good company, though. You just have to remind me at some point. Volume is increasing. I like it. Okay. Gotcha. Let's get it. All right. Momentum indicator, right? Nothing too crazy. It's not very strong bearish, and it is pretty flat. So I do like that. I see you seeing me seeing you. Rsi Indicator, however, is pretty high, so be cognizant of that. Now, here's what I like, man. Here's what I like. I think we are squeezing, baby. I think we're starting to squeeze. Is it a bull pennant pattern? Let's take a little bit of a closer look here. And yes, I think we are sitting in a nice potential bull pennant pattern or something bullish-esque, okay? I feel really good about that dynamic resistance level, and I think there's a floor here regardless at this level here at about 1693. If not, we are a little bit in a pennant pattern that it could be potentially forming. So let's see if we can squeeze out of here. Keep on keeping on, baby. All right. So next stock we have, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Do you think Michael Jackson is a good long-term investment? Yeah, man. Yeah, I think so. All right. Let's take a look. Again, I can't, this is not financial advice, so I'm going to tell you nay. Yay, nay. I don't know, dude. Yes, no, maybe. I'm just going to say maybe. That's all you get. Long-term, I don't know. Just because I don't know a lot about this company, don't get discouraged. I think we're sitting at that floor right there. Again, I don't know a lot about Michael Jackson, but just be careful with that stock. This is not financial advice, okay? But I do feel good about that level regardless. Doji, gonna hit $10 ever? Maybe. I haven't been following Dogcoin, to be honest with you guys. Sup, brother? First time on your live stream. Chosen few. Get up here, brother. Welcome to the stream, and you better smash that like. If you don't smash that like, I smash my face. Live stream, baby. You get some of that. World War RW. Okay. World War. Let's try to make a World War joke there. It didn't work very well. WWR. By the way, wars are not funny. All right. Westwater Resources. Look at this, guys. This list is getting near my face. It's getting near it real quick, like. All right, guys. I might pour up some soda, guys. I'm getting a little thirsty. Check this out, right? See all that soda back there? Looks good, don't it? All right, check this out. Volume. Yeah, buddy. Looks good. Earnings up and coming. 216. I see you seeing me seeing you, and it does look like earnings are coming pre-market, so in a few hours here. Okay, gotcha. And momentum is starting to digress towards bullishness. I like it. RSI looks phenomenal. I see why you're watching this stock. Doesn't look too bad. Now, I'm going to draw on some levels I think I'm seeing here. And again, I think there's at least something dynamic going on here with a nice support here. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. Let's go to the 5-day. Now, it has been selling off recently and sitting in this, descending channel pattern. But with that being said, right, is it a descending channel pattern or is it a culmination of a bull flag pattern? Oh my gosh, my drawings are terrible. Guys, give me a second here. Okay, so for those who are new, for those who don't know a lot about stock trading, look up a bull flag pattern and tell me if you agree with what we're seeing here. I think we're potentially seeing a bull flag pattern. And essentially, it's a continuation pattern. We enter into it with bullish momentum. We enter into a descending channel pattern. And then we enter a point of breakthrough here, and then we shoot right out to the moon, baby. So is it a bull flag pattern? Let me know your thoughts, especially leading up to earnings in the next few hours here. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what happens. All right. UPWK, please. Man, First, smash that like button, Waleed. I like you, brother. I like you, brother. Smash the like button, guys, okay? That's all I ask, okay? I don't want to smash my face, okay? I've done it a lot. All right? You feel me? You feel me on that? Hold on a second here. UPWK. All right, Upwork. Is my assumption? Yes, we have talked about this before. Clear drawing set. Smash that like. Smash that like. Okay. Okay. I see you. I see you. I see you seeing me, seeing you. Guys, I am sober. I promise. Okay. Check this out, man. Volume's been very steady. I do like that. Earnings are coming up. After hours on 2/23, and it has been appreciating like a beast. So is earnings already priced in? Be cognizant of that. MACD indicator, right? Momentum's been kind of swingy. I think net it hasn't moved a whole lot though. Rsi indicator, it's higher than I would prefer. Now, with that being said, see this EMA line here, this teal line, it's been holding above it like an absolute machine, and that is phenomenal signs for me. This thing is still very, very bullish. Let's take a closer look here. I'm seeing some levels, and bear with me here. This thing's very swingy right now. I feel better. I'd say generally about here, 56.36. We can draw a few in here, guys. Don't try to get caught up in analysis paralysis, okay? Don't try to draw on a million levels, but in this instance, this thing has been so swingy. I feel good about these levels, generally speaking, and I still think we are sitting in a little bit of a channel here. With that being said, let's see what can happen in the more interim. I think on our way up, we're going to smash these two levels. But again, we're going to get tested there as well, so let's see what happens. I hope that helped you out. Again, it's been so swingy, it's a little difficult. Man, for smash. Then can you please check for me, Lee Otto? Waleed, man, I got you, okay? If you don't smash that like, okay? Coming after you. Just like Liam Neeson. All right, I think we're entering a little bit of a bull pennant pattern here on the big picture, okay? More interim. Let's take a little bit closer look here. Upcoming earnings, I like that. 225, it is what it is, okay? 225 pre-market hours. I do like volume. It has been pretty steady. Momentum, let's take a look at this, boss. Momentum, it is digressing a little bit, okay? Be cognizant of that. Rsi indicator is pretty high, higher than I would like. Looking to jump in soon. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here. Clear drawing set. Okay. Yikes. Okay. Pretty clear level here, right? At about 29.9. I like the resistance more up here. Okay. And if we look a little more interim on the 5-day, right? Pretty clear levels there. So I think we're sitting in this channel here, right? Potential bullish rectangle pattern. Google it if you're not sure. We're about halfway up that channel. I want to wait till we approach one of these levels here until I think it's a good opportunity to potentially buy in. But I think either way, we're sitting in this channel here in the last week, right? We've been consistently smashing up there and smashing down here. So we're just kind of chilling and consolidating along these two floors here, floors and ceilings. So I hope that helped you out. CCIV already covered it. I got you, brother. Just smash that like button. You sound fully recovered from your cold. Yes, Chosen, I am pretty recovered. Now a lot of it's coming out, the residual, right? So I've been coughing and crap, but we're back to it, brother. COVID wasn't shit, okay? Easy money. Didn't have shit on me. D-Vax, new hepatitis vaccine, 2 shots is 90% effective. The old on is 3 shots, 32% effective. Let's go. Let's look at D-Vax. D-Vax. All right, what time is it? I got to smash the gym before I smash my face. But I won't smash my face if you smash that like. Smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't, you know, whatever. I guess. Fine. That's cool with me. Not really. Volume, kind of coming out of nowhere. Be careful. Earnings are coming up. 225. After hours, I see why you're watching it. I see you seeing me, seeing you. MACD indicator, let's take a look. Still fairly strong bearish momentum, but it is digressing, so I do like that. RSI indicator not at a bad position. Now, let's take a closer look here on the 5-day. Clear support here, right? Double bottom at 932. And then I think if we start creeping back up, right? I like the resistance a little more up here at about 1016 as opposed to where we smashed it as opposed to where we smashed here on last training session, just because, you know, we really consolidated around that point. So I hope that helped you out, boss. Zombie. All right, Naga, got you. 2 days ago, I got a video for you covering Zom. Go check it out on my channel. Seriously, it's brand new, front page of my channel. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll see it right away, okay? So smash that shit. CCIV, Noke, BB, SNE. Look at this fiend, man. Damn it, Antonio. Antonio, you need to chill with the protein shakes, man. Holy shit. CCIV, okay, I already covered it. So please rewind the video after I post it. Nokia, okay? I got you on Nokia. Again, I was just talking to Naga about this. I posted a video 2 days ago. All right. I covered Nokia. I got you covered, boss. BlackBerry. I think BlackBerry's in that video. But if it's not, let's talk about BlackBerry real quick. All right. Volume has been decreasing. Okay. It's cooling down from the whole GME thing. Doesn't mean it's not going to happen again, but I haven't been following the Reddit pages. So momentum's been very cool. It's been very keel, right? It's chilling out, not too crazy. It's been very flat. So it's kind of just chilling right now. RSI, it's not at a bad point, okay? Now, one thing I do like is that we are crossing over this teal line here. This is my exponential moving average, and that typically shows signs for me. It's called confirmation that we are in a reversal state, and we are showing nice bullish momentum. But I don't think we're going to get up here again, at least for quite a while. Now, let's go take a step back here. One thing I do like, boss, all right, one, you take a lot of protein shakes, okay? I like that, man. I work out myself, but I definitely do not look as big as you. Maybe someday, I don't know. I don't know if I could be that big, man. I'd be scared of myself. But ladies, maybe the ladies like it, man. I don't know. Who cares? Who cares, man? There's nothing wrong with being in shape, okay? At least you're not, you know, right? Would you rather be big with muscle and fit, or would you rather be big with flubber and can't even walk up 2 steps of stairs, right? So I hear you there. One thing I do like, okay, descending channel pattern. I do like that, and we did break out of it. So that's a very good sign, my man. We were very, very negative for about a week straight, and now we're starting to push out of that channel. So I do like that, and now we're showing, you know, new patterns, new signs, new levels up here. So that's a quick tidbit with BlackBerry. I don't know if I can cover the rest just so I can get to everyone else. SENS gonna blow up. I agree with you, Mac. I'm all on it. I made a video SENS 2 hours ago. Go check it out, guys. I got you covered. It's a quick high-level video. I think you guys will enjoy it. I give you everything you need to know about the company. Quick highlight. Who are they? What is their products? What the hell do they do? Quick highlight of that, then a quick technical analysis. And I also share with you my personal buying plan, because I am going to buy this stock. I just don't know when yet, but I share with you in that video what I expect to see. SOS2, got you, Mac. SOS was already covered, and it is part of my video that I posted yesterday or 2 days ago with the top 5, you know, meme stocks. So go check it out, boss. Front page of my channel. I got you covered. Neo, Yash Dullah. I'm going to do Neo videos tomorrow. Got you covered. Let's take a look. Amy, TradingView is great. I've been learning so much watching your live stream using TradingView. Appreciate you, Amy. I see you, seeing me, seeing you. Let's go. Neo, this week, please. I have some calls expiring Friday. Yash, I got you tomorrow. Don't worry. Has not consolidated. I don't recall. Check out my video I posted yesterday, boss. Yo, is anyone else hearing about Neo? Xpeng news. Xpeng is buying motors and batteries from XPT now, and I'm reading into that right. That's huge. Bet. HITIF. Got you, boss. I'm running out of space. I gotta hit the gym, guys. I gotta look like my man's right here. Antonio. And I won't look like him if I don't go to the damn gym, all right? Summer's coming up, all right? It's 10 degrees out, and I'm getting ahead of it now, because when it's 90 degrees out and I'm at that saltwater pool outside, I'm going to be getting it, all right? I'm going to be king of that pool, son, and I'm going to be drinking a lot of soda, okay? A lot of soda. We call it pop in the Midwest, but I don't want to upset anyone on here. Check this out, all right? Volume, it's been pretty high, but it is digressing, so be careful. Smash that like button. Momentum is still pretty negative, okay? Be very careful with that. RSI is looking favorable, but I still think this stock has a lot more room to run back down before it comes back up, and we have crossed over my exponential moving average, my teal line here, so I am a little concerned with that, okay? Those are my 2 cents with HITIF. Woohoo! Sensionic. I can't even say the damn company. Good Lord, I need to hit the gym. Terhe Ojberg, I don't know how to say your name. Boss, got you on Sense. Check out my video, brother. Is you a company? Bet. Unity Software. Okay. Again, kind of same situation as the last company. Now, the one thing I do like, which is pretty obvious to me without even looking at my other indicators, we are approaching potential reverser there, right? We are reversal there. Now, let's take a look at our MACD indicator just to see if we can, coincide those signs that we're seeing. And yes, sir. The one thing I do like is that we are still in bullish momentum. Not crazy strong, but the bars are starting to, appreciate. They're starting to go back up. So I do like that. They're growing. Rsi Indicator looks beautiful. So it's at a phenomenal buying position, right? It's pretty oversold. And the MACD indicator is showing that it is gaining some nice bullish momentum. I see why you're watching it, man. Good call on this stock. I appreciate you sharing it. Guys, these are the things you want to look for. These are the things people sleep on. And we are supporting nicely at 124. So yeah, I really like this stock. I think I'm going to keep my eyes on it personally. It's a good play, man. Fletcher Hall. I don't know if you were intentionally trying to say you, but holy crap. I don't know if you were potentially trying to say you, but it worked out. I have a question. How can you use future markets to predict what will happen after a weekend of no trading? Is it even possible? Okay. You can always use futures to, it's tough. Okay, futures are more tied to the economy, and it's just different. It depends. It depends on where your stock is. Does your stock fall into a major indice? If it does, yes, you can utilize futures, definitely. But if it doesn't, even then, right, it depends on the company too. So circumstantial. Some companies, they're very front running in indices, like Apple, right? There's also other companies that are, good portion of an indice, but they're so independently, maybe they have a lot of good independent momentum at the time. So the market can take an absolute dump one day and the stock can still push up like 15% that same day. So you can, to answer your question, kind of, it just depends. It depends is the answer. Neo on the weekly. Let's go, baby. Thank you, bro. Sundial. Got you. Tell. Already did tell. I hope Zom shoots up. Got you. Zombie Nation. Naked. Already did naked again. Check out my video yesterday. Got you. Okay, Elliot Yang. I got you. Guys, I got you on naked yesterday. Made a video, okay? Naked. Nokia. Zom. Sundial. I'm missing one, okay? SOS. Those 5 stocks, I got you covered, guys. Yesterday, I made a fresh video, and it's still relevant because the stock market was closed today. So go check it out. Wow, my bad. It was supposed to be ACU.B. Appreciate you taking my request. No time, brother. Suck me. I'm not doing that. Nice to catch you live. Appreciate you, man. What's up, brother? Get that Neo pump. You're definitely one of the greats, brother. Thank you, Blink. I like Blink. What do you think about naked? Kyle, got you, boss. You heard what I just said? I got you. I see you seeing me. I already did Blink, or, those other companies. BLNK. Blink. I like Blink. They got nice chargers. All right, Blink. Long term, you're fine, right? Look at this beast. It's sitting in a clear ascending channel pattern, my dude. Check this out, all right? If my mouse works, okay, right? Nice dynamic support there. And a nice dynamic resistance about there, right? It's sitting nice. It's appreciating. That's what you want. Volume, it's been chilling. Steady. Like it. Momentum, still pretty bearish. Be careful, but it is starting to digress. Rsi Indicator does look favorable. I see why you're watching it. I see you seeing me seeing you. Let's see if we can enter a point of confirmation, aka reversal state, as we potentially cross over the 9-day EMA, which I like to refer to in the near future. Let's watch this bad boy pre-market. It does look like it is experiencing some nice momentum here with a nice reversal. I am seeing a nice hammer pattern candlestick there, right? Nice hammer candle. So let's get after it, brother. Can you check out AREC? I can if you smash that like button, okay? That's the only way I can check it out. So if you don't check it out, then better hit that like button, damn it. Okay. Looks like we have a catalyst earnings on 222 after hours. Volume has been decreasing, so be very careful. It is extremely bearish right now, okay? And it's holding pretty decently. Be very careful. RSI, it's about halfway. Not too bad. But this stock, my man, be very, very careful. I think I need a little more confirmation. The one thing that I do like is that we are seeing a nice green candle here, so buyers are starting to regain control, but I do want to wait and see if we can cross over this exponential moving average line that I have set here, which is that teal line. Now, let's take a little bit of a closer look here. 10-day, okay. So, I think we're holding that dynamic, I think we're holding a dynamic resistance there and support to match I would say about here, boss. Okay, 617. So is this a triangle pattern? Are we entering a potential point of squeeze here? Bear all that in mind, but big picture wise, right? Things look a lot different, small versus big picture, right? That's why you got to take a step back, and that's why I always start all the stocks like this. Take a look at the big picture. You heard what I said, okay? Be very, very, very careful. Volume is completely dying down. It looks like it was a quick run, nice little pump and dump. I'm not saying that's what it is. Outside looking in, okay? American Resources Corp. I don't know anything about this company. But momentum is still very bearish, okay? Be very, very careful, okay? That is my 2 cents. How about GME? Aaron call option. Damn, man. Appreciate your opinion on Nova. I think it was a good potential. Also, thanks for the continued hard work. Neo to the moon. Thank you, Colossus. Appreciate you staying in tune, brother. Smash that like. SOS. John Hughes. SOS. Scarface. Damn it. It is you. Okay. So, inside joke. A lot of my videos in the past, I'd be talking like Scarface because this guy called me Scarface. So I kept talking like it. And, yeah, John Hughes, welcome to the stream. I got you on SOS. Check out my video I posted yesterday. HITF, I already did it. AEZS. All right. Look how long this list is. It's like you guys can't even, holy buckets. Okay, AEZS, okay? I thought I just did this. Did I not? Am I tripping? Okay, deja vu then. This is the same thing as the last company I talked about, boss. Check this out. Volume, it's digressing. MACD indicator, still very bearish right now. Be very careful. RSI, I take it with a grain of salt. Doesn't really mean a whole lot in this instance. Now, I think it is starting to consolidate quite a bit, but I think it is far from a reversal. Doesn't mean it can't happen soon though, okay? Take it with a grain of salt, and I don't know of upcoming catalysts for this company. But the one thing I am reluctant of is finding a really nice support here, especially the last week, right? Smashing there, it's just consolidating like a machine, but net overall, there hasn't been a whole lot of movement. And that is my 2 cents with AE Terna Zenteris Inc. Naked Vulcan. Check out my video from yesterday. I got you. Go to my homepage. Once you hit the subscribe button, the like button, you sign up for Webull, you sign up for all my other shit, which you have to do as a prerequisite to watch my video on Naked. Just kidding. Go to my channel, boss. I got you covered. Check out that video on Naked. Smash the like button on that video and on this video, or I'm going to smash my face. What about AFA? I think I did AFA already, boss. Seriously think, yeah, I already did AFA, but you know, take a quick glance, take a screenshot, boom, there's AFA, there's all the levels I was seeing, boss. Again, rewind the video, guys, after I post it, smash that like button. It'll get supporters of this channel, get it? Simple task, brothers and sisters. Thank you, John Hughes. You see this, guys? This guy gets it, man. Get your ass up here, John. Come on, man. Tony Montana, man. All right, smash the like, guys. It's easy. It's easy. 82 people in here, only 20 hit that like. Come on, people. It's weak. Jared, get both your asses up here, man. Get your ass up here, man. I love the support. Appreciate you, man. I'm going to draw a little smiley face for you because you guys are getting attention right now. And he's hitting a stogie. All right, Spice, if you have time. Of course I got time for you, Amy. I always do because you have time for me, and that's what I appreciate. Spice, Virgin Galactic, bye-bye. Okay, I like Virgin Galactic. And guys, interestingly enough, there's really no other space company you can invest in at this moment. Hint, hint. One thing I like, volume. Let's go. Looks phenomenal. Earnings are coming up. Let's go. 225 after hours. Let's go. Momentum, been a little flat. Not a whole lot of movement, and we have tailed off with substantial bearish momentum, so bear that in mind, but momentum isn't showing a whole lot of signs for me, so it's not necessarily a bad thing. RSI, not too bad of a position. Now, it does look like it has been squeezing a little bit here, so let me take a little bit of a closer look because there's a lot going on right now. Okay. Let me do the 515. Yeah, generally about the same thing. You know, clearly, right, Amy, we're smashing right here towards the bottom. You can draw your support as accurate as you want. I just like to do these really quickly, but you get the gist, right? I think we're topping off quite a bit at this level, approaching that. And we have, you know, we're sitting in this channel about the last week, right? We're sitting here confidently, right? We pulled out of it a little bit, and then when we did, we smashed an all-time high, and then we came right back into this channel, and we're still following suit within the channel, it looks like, right? We found that previous resistance as a continual resistance, and we found that support still as a nice support. But, you know, with that being said, we're about halfway into that point. So let's see what happens upon market open tomorrow. I want to see if it starts to come back down. And if it does, you know, let's see if we can find a more interim level. Maybe it's about here, and then try to time it and jump into this. Okay, so let's see what happens. Again, not financial advice, but, you know, I think big picture wise, right? Virgin, I like a lot of Virgin companies. Virgin is a phenomenal company. phenomenal brand. They have like 7 companies, subsidiaries are all doing very well. SOS got you. Made a video yesterday. Go check it out, boss. Mike Tracy, appreciate you, brother. How about Palantir? Can you please look into this company? Kenya Allure is on. She is in the building. This is an OG. She has been with me since the beginning, guys. Share the love. Get your ass up here, man. Get up here. Actually, I want both y'all up here, man. Oh, wait. Hold up. No, I'll just get Kenya up here. Kenya gets the attention, guys. It's truly humbling. She's been with me since, like, I don't even know. I think I have like 1,000 subs. And she's been with it, guys. I appreciate you, Kenya. You get instant gratification here. Let's go. Check this out. Spotify. I like Spotify. I use Apple Music more, to be honest. But I need to get on Spotify because they have podcasts on there. I like to learn once in a while. Okay. Earnings. Okay. Looks like they've been in negative EPS, so whatever. That's fine. They haven't been profitable for some reason. The one thing I do like is you can see I drew these levels in previously, not to get lazy on it, but I found a level, a nice support at 306.81 and call it 307 and 346, okay, as a resistance level. That was more interim. Let's take a look at our other indicators here, okay. MACD, right? MACD, it's still very bullish right now, and it is actually, you know, it was starting to digress, and it's starting to appreciate once again. So I do like momentum a lot with Spotify right now. Sorry, that's getting messy. Let's reset. Okay. And then let's go back down here to RSI. RSI is a little extended, but that's fine. Okay. Kenya, I do appreciate you watching the stock, and I see why you're watching it. One thing I would personally like to do, let's take a little bit of a look here. Right. So this is why I take a big step, but this is why I always look at the big picture. Right? You might be more of an aggressive trader, more interim, whatever. Maybe you're an investor. I know you really like the call options, but either way, right? I think right now, I think we are going to, you know, test at a significant point if we haven't already at this current level here at about 339, 340. So I think if we keep going up, we test here. That's why I always take a step back and look at the big picture. So right now, in my opinion, it's a little high right now, right? And if I refer proportionally to my other indicators, the RSI, MACD that I always pull up, right? We're pretty high on the RSI. It makes sense, right? Because we're approaching proportionally that resistance level that we have seen more interim, right, in the last 4 days that we've been capping off at. So right now, I think it has more of an opportunity to pull back a little bit before pushing back up. But let's see what happens. I like that you're watching Spotify, and I appreciate your support as always with this channel. Road to 10K and then some, okay? I appreciate you, Kenya, as always. Let's take a look at Palantir. All right, guys, got to go soon. I got to get my pump. PLTR. Gotcha. Palantir. As you can see, guys, right, we're sitting in that level that I had previously drawn in. And luckily, I already drew it in because this will make it a lot faster. But either way, Palantir, good company long-term, right? They have government contracts with the military, all that goody stuff, right? And they're a software company. And as you can see, right, we've been holding in this channel for quite some time. And we are approaching that previous resistance level that we have previously bounced off of. But it does look like momentum is still pretty negative in my opinion. We do have earnings coming up tomorrow morning pre-market. Let's take a look. We could see a nice run-up. And you can see, right, we're starting to consolidate on the MACD, but we are very, very bearish right now, so be careful. RSI looks very favorable. We're very low down there, so I do like that. But one thing I want to see, damn it. One thing I want to see, though, right, can we cross over this EMA line? You know, in my opinion, I think there's a chance if we have good earnings and we shoot through that EMA line, I think we're going to start approaching this next level at about 37.81 or wherever you may have it, and then keep on keeping on. But right now, it's still experiencing some pretty negative momentum, so be cognizant of that. Yo, 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 smash that like, Tesla. All right, guys, I'm going to set my timer. You see it? See it? I'm going to set my timer really quick, guys. And I do appreciate you guys. And again, if I missed your stock, first of all, look behind my head here, okay, really quickly. You see all these? Can I move my body real quick here? I don't know how to move my square, but if you see all the ticker symbols above me, guys, check that out. If you see any of your stocks in there and I covered them, but you jumped in late, feel free to watch the video. I'll post it right after this. Only if you smash the like button, okay? So I'm going to set a timer here for about 10 minutes, guys, because I do seriously need to work out because I haven't worked out in like 3 days and I'm freaking out. And there's also a blizzard outside, so I'm probably going to bust my ass on the way. But either way, let's get after it. Okay, cool. Let's check it out. I set a timer for 10 minutes. All right, we're going to do a quick little blitz here. Okay, let's talk about Tesla. One thing I'm seeing on Tesla, Stock G called this out. He is a fellow YouTuber. Go check out his channel if you're into SBE, Switchback Energy. Now, 180-day chart. Check this out, boss. Are we entering, first of all, we've been sitting in this channel. Are we entering into a potential reverse head and shoulders pattern? If we are, dude, or dudette, this thing is going to absolutely pop. Okay, and I think we get tested still at 877 on the way up, but look at this, it's already starting to show signs of confirmation. Okay, this thing is super discounted right now in my opinion. Again, not financial advice, but that is my 2 cents on Tesla. And again, check out those levels that I drew in. Hey, yo, what does the RSI indicator mean? So it's a relative strength index indicator. Very high level to keep it simple for you, dude. All right, I'm gonna learn y'all right now, okay? This is the RSI indicator. It's essentially proportionate to the price strength, price movement, whatever. Now, see the 70 here and the 30 here, these gold lines? Some people have them set differently. Some people have it at like the 15 and the 90 or 10 and 90, whatever. I like 70 and 30. It's honestly just the default, and I've just used it forever, and it's been working for me. High level, the way to think about it, right? If it's around 30, if it's near 30, the lower RSI, it means it's typically very oversold, which means it's at, typically at a good buying position, typically proportionate to the price that you're currently seeing and at the chart you're looking at. Now, if it's up here, it typically means that it's overbought. Okay, so from a high level, if it's really overbought, it means it's really extended and it's bound to pull back at some point, and then vice versa, right? So it's a good way to use that, but again, it's just an indicator, and the problem is that it follows price action, so it lags, okay? So it's not, again, it's just a reference. Be very careful, okay? Thanks, man. Real boss. Second time watching. Oh, man. All right, guys, I'm going to read some of the comments because I got to give you all some love. Thanks, man. Real boss. Appreciate you, man. Second time watching you live. Thanks. Smash that like. Thank you, Just Fly Fish Forever. I love fishing, and I love that name, man. I'm a big fisherman at heart. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate your videos, boss. Teach me a lot. Good. Cool, Yash. That's all I want, man. Where am I from? Chicago, gang. I'm actually from Minnesota, so Midwest gang, baby. And I hate the cold, so you know what? Whatever. HCAC, whatever. And I've been to Chicago quite a bit. And let me tell you, I drink a lot of soda out there, a lot of pop out there at the bars. They got a lot of good pop. Clove. Hold on, y'all. What's up, fam? IDEX. Yeah. Is that you 9 to 5? Is that you trade 9 to 5 at Cam the Man? Is that you trader 9 to 5 at Cam the Man? I'm confused. Good evening. I hope everyone had a great Monday. Any suggestions on TRXC? It's been rising a lot. What do you think about GNE? Should I sell my AK shares? I can't tell you. Not financial advice. Thanks for looking into RX. Smash that button. Hit that like. Appreciate you, brother. All right. Let's get after it. I YOLO my life savings on BlackBerry. Yikes, that's a yikes for me, brother. Yo, Miami 305 in here. Lucky. Neo to the moon. CCIV. Stop spamming or you don't get it. OCGN. Cool. All right. I'm going to go back up, guys. All right. I got a few more, guys. Again, I got to go to the gym, unfortunately, but I got you covered. Okay. Again, if I didn't cover your stock, again, if it looks like I covered it up above my head right here, okay? See if it's in that watch list and watch the video after. Unfortunately, I don't have timestamps, so please see if your stock's up there and check it out after I post this video. Please, I got you covered. Also, feel free to join our currently free Discord. Almost 1,000 members, and it's only going to be free for about another week, okay? You will get grandfathered in. Again, here's your opportunity. Join the Discord. It's a community of growing. And if you join the Discord and plug any shit in there, you're getting the hell out. And that's my forewarning right now. It's not a threat. Just don't come in there to promote another Discord that you made. I don't give a damn what it is. Get the hell out of my Discord if you're not there to help each other grow and learn. And that's all it's about. It's about growing, learning. I don't care if you're an expert or a novice, hop on it. We got people in there that are millionaires. We got people in there that are just getting started. We got like 14-year-old, 15-year-old guys that I've seen in our Discord that are just getting started with stock trading. So it's just a good community. I'm trying to keep it healthy. No toxicity, no promoting. Get the hell out. If you can't handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen. Kneel to the moon. Yay. Clove. Smash that like. Okay, guys, I talked about Clove a lot in the last video. You guys are fiending. All right, volume, still positive. I like it. Let's go. I see you seeing me seeing you. Check this out, right? I think we're sitting in a bullish flag pattern. Again, we enter into a positive momentum, enter into a descending channel pattern, and then we shoot out of this shit with positive momentum. Potentially. That's why you set your alerts. Stay keen on that. Anything can happen tomorrow. We got a lot of pent-up demand, ladies and gentlemen. We have a short trading week. Bear all that in mind. Looks like we are approaching a reversal. This is good news. That's why I look at the big picture. This is a momentum indicator. And as you can see, we were bearish, and now those red bars are clearing out. What's coming next, baby? A flip into the green bars, potentially speaking. RSI indicator looks favorable. This stock looks very favorable, right? It's low on the RSI, so it's completely oversold. Momentum is indicating signs of a reversal, and it could be sitting on the big picture in a very, very strong bull flag pattern. Google bull flag pattern. Let me know what you guys are seeing. Let's get after it. I hope to help you guys with Clover Health. All right, CCIV already covered it. Again, please check it out after the video. Smash that like button. All right. How do I join Discord? Check the link below, guys. I got you on the Discord. Smash that like button. If not, check out my other videos. I got the Discord plug down there, okay? There's some other plugs too. Affiliate links, Webull, all that crap, but I don't plug it like all these other jokes through YouTubers. I'm just real. Please help me with Pixie. Got you. Joe, thank you for subscribing, brother. I appreciate you. Made your mind. Good Lord, I can't even say that name out loud. Thank you. Thanks for loving me. I love you, loving me, loving you. Appreciate you. I think I said that right. Sen's going to explode. I absolutely agree, dude. Sen's is going to freaking pop. If you guys want information on Sen's, check out the video I made today, hours ago. About 2-3 hours ago, I posted a video on Sensonomics. That company is so undervalued, it's disgusting. Where's the entry point on the bullish flag? Okay, you talking about Clover? Again, since we're still on it, again, I think we need to, I think any entry point, in my opinion, this is not financial advice, so if you lose money, it's on you. But I think we need to cross over this EMA line here, okay? I need signs of confirmation of a reversal, and then even more so, a breakout for a bullish flag will be against this dynamic resistance level. Doesn't mean it's going to be right there, but you know, whatever day we approach this dynamic resistance level, as soon as we have a substantial breakthrough and nice momentum, this thing will shoot up like an absolute machine. So I hope that helps. I just ordered 7 AMCs. I've never owned stock before in my life. Cool, man. Welcome to stock trading. It's rough. You got a lot to learn, but hey, you got to start somewhere. You got to crawl before you walk, and you got to walk before you run. Once Sens breaks $5, what's the next step? Cash out, get rich, baby. AT&T, love it. I don't know the ticker symbol. Riot, AMC Tuesday, Gilt, no one's talking about it. Sens, open, bullish. I covered open already, boss. I got you. Dior made it, and Dior made it. Let's do Gilt, and let's do Riot. Appreciate you sharing. All right, volume. I do like volume. I see you seeing me, seeing you. And I do like that we do have earnings tomorrow, pre-market hours, in the next few hours here, actually. So cool. And, ooh, baby, momentum is starting to reverse. I like it. Let's see. It's approaching reversal state. It's a little premature, but let's see what happens. RSI extended to death. What do you expect? This thing's been running up like an absolute machine. So I hope that helps you out, man. Things look good, but be very careful. Earnings, people like to cash out quite a bit. We did experience, you know, very extended green candle here. But are we starting to reverse off that, right? Already from the pullback? Let's see what happens. Let's watch earnings tight tomorrow, okay? Be very careful. Smash that like button. Let's go. Thank you. Yo, 9 to 5. Did you see that huge uptick in AT&T option open interest? I didn't. Are you on the Discord? Send me an article or something about that. Post it on our Trading Lounge channel. I really want to check it out. Dior, I got you. Riot. Guys, I got to get my pump soon. I'm fiending. Plus, I got to drink some soda because I'm thirsty. Pop, whatever. We call it pop in the Midwest. All right, check it. Volume up, baby. Love it. I see you, seeing me, seeing you. We have upcoming earnings on 3/15 after hours, but it is a little, you know, premature. That's not for a while. There's like we did cover Riot last time. We are still sitting pretty bullish, but bullish is starting to regress back down. RSI indicator very extended. The stock is very overbought right now. There's like we are cooling off. Can this previous resistance level at 46.41 about become a new support level? And can we keep chugging on to the effing moon? Let's see what happens, boss. I hope that helped you out. Sorry, I just got to move quickly onto the next one. Smash that like button before I smash my face. All right. Sends too high in the ATM. Is Sens too high to buy into at the moment? So watch my video, watch my last video. I got you covered. Seriously, I break it down. I talk to you about what the company is, and I talk to you about whether or not, I talk to you about my personal trading plan. Just jump into that shit. Zachy Chan, just kidding, not financial advice. If you lose money, it's on you. Zachy Chan Financial. I got 1,200 shares of NEO. Damn, son, you're a baller, dude. Sends to hot to buy. I'm Midwestern too. You Michigan, Minnesota, brother. Sends going to pick to $10 quick. Oh shit, I hope so. Sorry, can you please review Pixie? Thanks, bro. You the best. Tell you what, I'll do Pixie if you smash that like button. Otherwise, I'm gonna smash my face. Shift Pixie, okay? I see kind of why you're watching it. It's been, long term, been selling off, and now it's starting to appreciate again. Dope. I like it. Volume, it's been kind of low, but it is what it is. Momentum, it is starting to digress a little bit, but it's still bullish. RSI indicator, it's a little higher than I'd prefer, so it's a little overbought right now. What I do like is that we're holding strong above this teal EMA line that I like to use. It's the 9-day EMA for reference. And again, that we are still pretty bullish on the stock, so I do like that, and I do like what you're seeing. Minnesota, I'm shocked that there's no super chat, but S&D, bro, good company. SNDD. I don't know what super chat is. I'll check it out. What is that? All right, SNDD, you damn penny stock fiend, damn it. All right, thought this was a cool company, man. Volume looks good, okay, but it is digressing a little bit. Momentum is starting to tail back down, so be careful with that, boss. But again, however, it is very bullish still, and it is very extended on the RSI indicator, so I'm a little concerned there. 5-day right. Support clearly right here, right at 0.0103. I sound like a robot, and then resistance at 0.0139. You guys in these penny stocks, but that's what I'm seeing, brother. It's all you. Everyone's got their preference. Smash that like button. I just joined the Discord. Do it. Do it, guys. It's free right now for now, okay? I'm not greedy at all, but it does take a little bit to manage. And either way, let's all grow together. Again, it's more of a community. That's the whole freaking point. There's already 1,000 people in there, and I haven't asked for a cent. So check out our Discord. Hop in when you can, brother or sister. Love to have you. Super Chat allows people to tip you. Damn it. Okay, I need to poop. Be right back. Thanks for sharing, Pop Squash. I needed that, man. I need that info. Plug. THCB. Super Chat allows people to pay to have a highlighted comment. Cool. See, you can tell, guys, I'm really not that greedy. I didn't even know what the hell that was. I just like doing this shit. It's fun. Thanks, bro. Ticker, FIIIE. Okay. Guys, I got to go. Okay, but let me do 2 more. Okay, 2 more. 2 more. Okay, that's it. So who we got? Smash that like. Hope to get rich watching your channel. Rich El Gato. I hope so too. Appreciate it, big dog. Smash that like. Smash that like. I subscribe and hit the like button. Taji, damn it. I already got you, man. SOS, already covered it. Neo, already covered it. Or Zachy Chan, I got you. I did do Neo earlier in this video. Unfortunately, I got to wait for this to get posted, and then you can check it out. ASRT, I smashed that like, bro. Chris, did you smash that like? Good. I don't want to smash my face. It hurts. I'm going to do plug in THCB, guys. Okay? Sorry. But you know what? It is what it is. And I got to go hit the gym, man. It's nothing against you guys. Again, join our Discord channel. There's still opportunity to get your stocks reviewed, okay? I got you. I see you seeing me, seeing you. Plug, we're sitting in this channel. Floor 6085, support or resistance at 70. I think we're holding strong in here. Volume is still pretty steady, but it is lower than I would prefer. Momentum is starting to take a little bit of a shift here towards the bullish direction. RSI is very favorable. Plug Power long-term, phenomenal company, hydrogen fuel cell company. Guys, check out my channel. I made in-depth videos on Plug. If you want more information, just detailed due diligence on Plug Power, I got you covered. It's still very relevant to this day, aside from the technical analysis portion of that video. Okay, boob. Is that a ticker symbol? Excuse me, guys. Smash that like. All right, volume, boom, baby, steady. Like it. I see why you're watching. I see you seeing me, seeing you. And check it out. We do have a little pop here. Little guy. Potential momentum reversal. RSI looks favorable. Again, I see you seeing me, seeing you, brother. 515 or sister. Right? Nice support here. We're holding strong. Boom, baby. 1855. And what's next, baby? The promised land. I think $20 we're holding tight. And again, more interim, right? Between 20 and 1940. Let's see if we can break out of these. And if we are, look for that next level that we could potentially test that next. And that is your top stocks for tomorrow, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, I'm super humbled and I love that you guys tuned in today. I got you covered, okay? First of all, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want daily uploads on some of the top stocks on Wall Street, including Neo videos where I get fired up to death. It's censored though. If you can't handle it, get out the kitchen, baby. On top of that, comment below if I missed anything in this video. Again, this will be posted immediately after the stream. Check the ticker symbols right next to my head here above. And I got you covered. Just gonna have to play through the video, unfortunately. But again, I got you covered. And again, join our free Discord channel while it's still free. Link below in the description. Hop on in. We'd love to have you, expert, novice, whatever. And do not plug anything in there. Your ass is getting out real quick, okay? I gotta get ghetto on you. It's gonna get out, okay? I got Discord moderators, so don't try to sneak that shit in. No plugging, nothing. Come in, grow, learn. That's all it's about. We have nearly 1,000 members. I would love to have you. Thanks again, guys. Have a great rest of your night. I'm excited for our short trading week. There's going to be a lot of pent-up demand. Let's get after it, baby. Happy trading.